잊지 못해 널 처음 본 그날 바람이 차서 어색해하며 인사하는 널 얼어붙어 한참을 봤어. 매일 밤에 널 그려왔다며 밤이 새도록 전화를 시간이 너무 빠르게 지났다고 한참을 또 얘기해. 마지막 인사를 건네고 난 너를 지나 다시 걸어. I saw you. 한참을 돌아보다가 넌 그 자리에서 울고 있고 I walking outside of your thousand miles. 너가 보이지 않을 그 순간까지.
So I entered the hospital. I was a little bit nervous and scared, but finally here I am. I really knew where I was supposed to go at the MCH, and I entered. The doctor was not there, but I swear I really waited for like an hour. That's what I'm doing right now till I was so idle, but I just sat there. I didn't have an option, but I also had gotten to the hospital late, and the doctor came and I started being some interviews here and there, and finally I'm done with my screening. I decided to go to the washroom because I was feeling a little bit of a crammy stomach here and there, and then I got out and decided to settle a little bit outside the hospital before I go. I saw some beautiful flowers and decided why not shoot these just to spice up. Just look at how cute they look. So guys, as you can see, it's too sunny. I'm just from the cancer screening. I swear it's not the best experience, but it's not painful either. It's just uncomfortable. Have done it, and I've reduced some burden for myself because I was so scared. I was having some pain on my bladder, and then I checked up on Google, and among the things that it gave me the options, it gave me cancer, cervical cancer, and I was so scared. So I've been scared for the last 6 months, and then being December and it's just a new month started, I asked myself, why can't I choose to conquer my fears? Yeah, exactly. And I decided to go to the hospital and conquer my fears, and here I am with a card. Cervical cancer negative, and I'm so happy about it. So just right before I go home, there is a certain nice restaurant somewhere, and I've just decided to go and try out some smoothie because I don't know their prices, and I also don't know how they charge, but it's a really nice place. And let me go try some smoothie and then go buy something for my daughter and go home. So let's go and check out and give me the opinion if they really look good as I've just said. So let's meet there. Bye. Just see oh, pure beauty, the mountain, the road. This is the famous Kibwezi Kitui road. You don't have to use the Mombasa road when going to Mombasa. You can pass through Kitui and then, but the road is really well done. And yeah, it's fun. For those who have never seen a donkey, it's a donkey on the way. It's too windy though. I thought we are almost there, but we are not. So let's go together. I'll be showing you some things on the barabara, motorbikes, and I'll show you some cows. I can see them, but it's really green and looks so beautiful. Just see, looks like an artificial carpet. So let's go together and I'll show you cows. Yeah. So the cows are here. So I finally arrived at the place where I was supposed to go and take my smoothie, and you can see how the place looked. The sun was against my direction, so that's why it's a little bit not too clear, but you can see how it looks, the environment, my nini there, my two beautiful legs walking, chap 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 chap. Yeah, I entered there. I was a bit confused because I didn't know where I should sit, but I finally saw a waiter and I asked where I should sit, and he was so helpful and he asked me to sit just where I felt comfortable. But the place really looked nice. It's so quiet right here. There's no commotion. There are no a lot of people. It's just a place where you could come and relax because it also looks so good. But I really hate to go and show you the swimming pool. Next time I'm coming here, I'm coming swimming for real, but I really don't know how to swim, but I'll learn. The next time I'm coming here, I'm coming to this swimming pool to just have fun because taking care of babies it's not easy. So the next time I'm here, I'm coming right here to this pool to swim and then eat at least something. But today I was just coming to benchmark on a few. Next time I'm coming here to eat, I'll be knowing exactly where I'll be going to sit and what I'll be coming to do. So I just sat right there, baby girl. It was a solo date. All they had was a Minute Maid and they didn't have a smoothie, but I suggested that they do have one. And here I am. It was so tasty. So so guys, the place really looks nice and a bit expensive, but But it really looks good. So yeah, the mango juice is too cold and sweet, and it tastes good. If I had time, I could have swim, but I really don't have time. It's almost 5, and my mom is with the kids alone, so I just have to go home right now after I finish the juice. But it's a very cool environment. The place is so cool, and for privacy, it's epic because there are not a lot of people. I guess it's because it's weekdays, but there are no people. The people are just too few, and the place is quiet. Damn it. So guys, I had a good time. The juice was juicing, and next time I'll have some time, I'll come, I'll do swimming, I'll order something and eat and all that. But for now, just had juice, and I'm on my way back. I'll see what I'll do, and then I'll go back home. Sorry, the vlog may not have a lot of activities, but it's still also cool. Sorry, it's still also cool like that, but I enjoyed. I had a good day, and so happy that I'm negative cancer, cervical cancer, and I would advise you to go for screening if you have not, just to make sure, because just in case you have it, and God forbid, if you know early in advance, the better. And by the way, have been studying about different types of bodies and whatever works for each body, and I noticed that I'm an inverted triangle, and for real, these are not the outfits I should be wearing because they are exposing the broad shoulders. So very soon I'll be working on my wardrobe, and I can't wait to have clothes that fit my body type. And I'll make a video of different body types, and I'll let you know what your body types are, what works for you and what doesn't, because mine, whatever I've worn today, doesn't fit my body, but I'm gonna work on my wardrobe so soon. Ifike standing, utake kunitext please. Hope you go outside. Hope you will let me. Angalau kama uwezi tell your friends it's allowed. No need to defend me. Nishakuwa ex please. I hope you're in a voice of love. You need to let go, stop holding it in. Know that pain is hurting you. I know how you are. You hide inside and pretend that everything is cool. Evidence in tears, heroes beautiful. Sasa mambo mambo maembe otete hata homa hiyo baya dhati ama hiyo mamba mateme umuno choni bene mpasa tight
mwana wake ndoga
Yes.